Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today topic is health insurance of Indonesia. Let's start the Indonesia insurance. Cover for you and your family international health insurance for Indonesia. Our Care International Healthcare Plan for Indonesia were created in partnership with PTA Indonesia Center Asia. Care Health for Indonesia and makes access to health insurance in Indonesia simple, easy, and safe. Do you live in Indonesia or are planning on move there? Do you travel freelancer is alone or with your family? If so, we can make access to health care easily for you. We are design solution for expert health in insurance in Indonesia to provide global access to healthcare to expert. Our core plan are fixes be allowed and compromise covering patient and daycare treatment at home and abroad. Our plan also include team treatment for COVID-19 substance to atom and conditions. The, the explained health insurance cover includes doctor visit, hospitalizations, relation, sugar, uh, cancer treatment option to add a reparation plans. Care International Health Plan for Indonesia at a glance. We carefully cares a selection of Indonesia Nutrition Health Indonesia Plan for Indonesia, the simple selection for the region. Step 1. Step 1. Choose your core plan and pick deviations. Step 2. Add any of the optional plan. Step 3. Choose your area of covering worldwide and worldwide excluding USA. And Indonesia Care Pro Superior's Health Insurance, our highest level of cover. Privacy room, diversion test, sugars, all consolations, treatment, nursing at home, emergency, our patient detailed treatments. Our option to add manually lost eyes treatment, fresh sugarly accidentally death benefit. Max Plan Limited USA $5 lakhs. Indonesia Care Plus Enhanced Health Insurance. Compression health insurance with addition benefit, private room, digestion test, etc. etc. And Max Plan Limited USA $4 lakhs. $4 lakhs. Indonesia Care Compression health insurance. Expert cover with semi-private room access. Private room, dressing tax, sugarly onlation, treatment, nursing at home. Max Plan Limited $2,50,000 USA. Enhance your cover with your operation plan. Choose for the following. Our patient plan, event and hair care explained with your patient plan. Our day-to-day media cover such as GP visit, demonstration test, weight, regular health check or more. Reparation plan, if the treatment you need is not available locally, will operation you to your home country so you can receive treatment close to family and friends. Dental plan project your oral health and your wallet will be eligible. Insurance plan offer our cover to the dental treatment, sugar rise, other document and more. Matter listed plan. Embrace the journey of motherhood with our trusted mentality plan offering cover and age and sport. And guys, health insurance is the most important in Indonesia is it covering your life and the most popular. I suggest you Indonesia health insurance and get started. Get you expert health cover in a few simple steps. Getting your policy is more easily and faster when you choose our underwriting option. They are not media push to complete in health. Ready to get your cover? Call us on 00 and EDCC or if you're calling for outside Indonesia. They choose as your trusted health insurance. Hash A plus best in class experience. Best class experience. Best class experience is the most important. Yes guys, a hash A plus best in a class experience finally strong compared with a superior AM best rating. 1.9 million worldwide experience growing network of our 1.9 million quality media provider setting media building direct with the provide to the more patients treatments. 24/7 supported always on 24 by multiplication helplines and emergency assessment service. 48 hours quest and accidentally full complete media claim process with 24 hours. Looking for a different solutions. International healthcare plan for the best region. Sport team international health insurance creating our health insurance. What is the length of the contract in a pay monthly can any add anytime. Most of your content are on the air for most products and there is a 30-day cooling for period for the start date. After this the policy may not be cancelled unless gradient of the worth a monthly or annual payment free. What do you international health insurance cover? International health insurance is designed for the people for spend long periods our area. It's work much like health insurance at home. You are not just cover for emergency treatment but also for the GP visit, designs and post treatment care in any country within your area of cover. Will offer treatment health insurance for students studies abroad, expert professional working abroad, expert couples and initiation. Do you insurance health insurance cover are per accession conditions. Coverage for the per accession media condition Indonesia insurance health insurance for policy which we are filling underwriter. Otherwise, your policy document for policy with the policy with your condition are the eligible for the cover age 1 you are complete continue 24 hours month 24 months periods after your start date and as you are not swimmer need or receive treatment media or special that are advised or has any other Indonesia of the condition during that time. My expert like everything you need to know before you and when you get for export real story real people. Here is a story behind what we do and we may do it. Our mission is to help will be help. And guys, the most important of the Indonesia health insurance in the world is the most important, and Indonesia is you are the best policy in Indonesia, and USA most not important in Indonesia. Indonesia is the best dollars come price. The so most spacious price in the Indonesia is the most clearness and welfare health in accidentally admit to nursing at home all to clear data and Indonesia health insurance in USA to better to US international health insurance for Indonesia. Our international health plan for Indonesia will create in the partnership with you PTA Central Asia, making access to health insurance in Indonesia simple, easy and safe. Do you live in Indonesia or are you planning or more in there? Do you travel freelancing alone or with your family? If you so can make sure to healthcare easily for you. We design solution for the expert health in insurance in Indonesia to provide global access to the healthcare expert. Uh, uh, Care International International Health Plan for the Indonesia at Glazer. We carefully care space of the Indonesia. Indonesia is the plan for the Indonesia, the simple specifics for the region. Step 1, choose your core plan and pick to the duration. Step 2, add any of the optional plan. Step 3, choose your any area for cover worldwide. World and worldwide exclude USA. Excluding USA. Indonesia Care Pro. Supervisor health insurance, our highest level of cover, private room, decision, supervise and nursing at home option to adding layers to treatment, private sugarly accidentally death benefits. Plan limited $5 lakh. Indonesia Care Plus enhanced health insurance, comprehensive health insurance with the additional benefits. Private room, distance test, sugarly, our lodging, treatment, nursing at home, and emergency our patient, dental treatment. Option to add to manufacture. Maximum plan USA for $400. USA is the most popular country in the world and best plan of Indonesia health insurance. Find the best service for the need. Provide the finest product solution for your daily mobile and health protection yourself and your belonging family with the best health projections. Improve your life and loyalty ones with the complete protections. 150 plus year of session, we are the her and we service in the happens in the world to protect you and everything then you love. We have both conditions and etc. We insurance for you domination holiday. Zurich travel insurance cover media expert law winging and additionals in Indonesia. We are form timing national more peaceful with the Zurich travel insurance. Cover fighting dating cancel and all the media access the social media and the most important clearness Indonesia. I hope I and the end. I hope you be doing well. I hope my video is the best topic today. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe and like, please share. But the watching my video, thank you for all YouTube friends. Like and share video my Indonesia health insurance.